Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's the 22nd of December, so happy solstice as well. Hopefully, we've had our shortest day and now we can start working on our way to summer, right? Although, be honest, enjoy a little bit of winter. Hopefully, it's not too cold. Kind of I like a lot of snow, but not too cold. So that's me. Anyway, short and sweet today. I am making some chicken just for some lunches, that sort of thing. So chicken souvlaki is that one. Oh, so I need a bit of nourish broth now. And chicken. This way I can just have lunches, sandwiches, salads, that sort of thing. I got a bit of protein for it. So we tend to put our chicken souvlaki into the little jar. Because we don't really need 8 servings of it. All right, there we go. So that's that. So when I use up another one, I'll just switch it over. It's a good thing about keeping your, little jars and things. You can just refill them with some other stuff. All right, then I'm going to make some gingerbread cookies. All right, so what's going on? Well, yesterday Vic and I sat down and figured out our meals. With shortbread cookies, really keep them separated. They will spread. Our meals for the next couple of days. So the next couple of days is just normal. The 24th, we're visiting some family, his family, so fish and stuff, And then on the 25th, we had turkey wings. The turkey wings that we're going to have. And we're switching up. We're going to have mac and cheese, turkey wings and salad. That's our plan. I was going to make some cranberry sauce today, but we don't have the cranberries yet. So when I get those, I will make them. Hi, Marissa. And then we have some friends coming over on Boxing Day. So we're going to make some ribs. So that's the plan. The next few days, so I'm not making a lot today. I'm just going to make some bit of cookies, have some fun with making my own sausage rolls. And I saw this, I know this recipe, I've done it with other things, but I'm changing it up today. I'm going to make shortbread cookies with a little bit of mac and cheese in it to give it the cheesy flavor. Put little holes in it so I can put some red pepper jelly into the holes once they've cooked. All right, so some ginger cookies, tiny bit of sugar on them. I made them small, but you can make them bigger. All right, so there's still a whole bunch more to make there. All right, and now I have the shortbread mix already ready, and I'm just going to put a little bit of the mac and cheese in. You could totally make your shortbread cookies savory with any flavor. You could use lemon dilly. You could use holiday seasonings, just some rosemary, whatever your particular flavor that you like. Bit of Parmesan. Yeah, you can can totally have some fun. So the recipe calls for half a thing of butter in the mix and then a little bit of water, but I wanted to put the mac and cheese in first and just see how much water I need. I always recommend don't put the water in until you've mixed first, because the humidity, the weather, all that kind of stuff will affect your shortbread. So you don't want it too dry, too moist, right? So that you can't actually work with them. All right. A little bit more cheese. All right, so that's for us. What is everybody else doing? Are you prepping on the day? Do you guys get ready for your holidays before? Do a bit of cooking ahead of time? Do you watch Jamie Oliver? I love watching Jamie Oliver with his Christmas specials. His the way he does his turkeys and a few other things I tend to follow. He's got some pretty cool options there. Yeah, that's kind of it, really. We have our new Epic Life is starting up in the new year. You can register now if you'd like to. It's free to register. The community is free. That it just basically community where it helps you with meal prepping, portion control, movement, sleep, all that kind of stuff. I enjoy it because it's a good accountability for just trying to be whatever it is that you might be trying to be working on. Could be that you're just got a new way that you have to eat, like you have to eliminate something and you're trying to figure out how to do that. This is a good place to do that. If you've changed and you got to swap things out, can't eat particular food like me, they give you a whole bunch of swapping options and stuff. So it's really good that way. Again, accountability. It's great for any of that kind of stuff. Sleeping, movement, get yourself a buddy, and then you just work together on that. And then, of course, the community also has like a dietitian and a nutritionist and a fitness person there to help with any questions you might have about things like that. And then the cool thing about Epic is that we are already pretty much in that boat of being properly balanced meals and plates. And we help with that with all of our recipes. And then at least you know that it's all clean as well. Now you can get a kit with it. They've gone back to a printed guide, which is awesome. I should show you my old ones. I'm excited. I've ordered mine. And a printed journal. So a food journal where you can write down, what you've eaten, or your movement, or how you're feeling today, especially if you're in any kind of elimination diet because you're trying to find out what something might be bothering you. You can write it down and figure out, oh, it's this, oh, it's that. It really helped me when I was doing my elimination diet to remove things like dairy, and then, of course, onions, which we know is my huge factor for me. Red things is also a thing if you have migraines. Elimination diet works really great for trying to just figure out what the issue is. And then you can slowly add it back in and then figure out what it is exactly about that item. Or it could just be compound, which is what it was with me. Just too much sodium, too much red things, too much MSG. All that really does bother me. But each person is different, and you figure things out on your own, really, like with help, of course, but I mean, like, it's you who knows what's best for your body. Yeah. Anyway, there is a kit, as I said, that comes with all that. It comes with scoops to help you with portion control, and it helps, and it comes with 4 weeks worth of the product to help you get through the first 4 weeks of the challenge, because the challenge is 8 weeks. And then from the first 4 weeks, you can figure out what recipes you like and what you want to do with it, and then go from there. Okay, there's my tiny little shortbread cups ready to go. The gingerbread are coming along nicely. Chicken is doing well. Let me show you the guide, what it used to look like, or probably will look like. It'll be something like this. It'll just be adjusted with new recipes, new tips and trips and things like that. So it comes with that. Here's the meal planning that it comes with, how to get started. All the recipes are there. But the new one will have new recipes, new tips, new guidelines. And the journal is smaller, but that big or so. And then it has each day in it. It also has your weekly meal plan place for you. All that is really great. So yeah, if you want to hear more about that or need more information, feel free reach out and I can talk a bit more about what it all means or what's good for you for that. Yeah, I would love it if you would come and join me. Oops. I was going to put lemon pepper on the shortbread cookies. I guess not. All right. All right. Use the leftover of my Italian seasoning with my ground pork here to make tiny little meatballs. Also, sneak peek, I know what's coming in the Epic box in January. Let me know if you want me to tell you what that is. All yumminess in it and a new product, which we tried last week when Donna and Patricia came over and we made a whole stack of cookies. When we did that, we also tried a couple of new flavors that are coming. So we have 6 new flavors coming on January the 3rd. I will start sneak peeking them before that, obviously. But if you are so inclined and want to know exactly what's coming, feel free to reach out to me. We have a cool guide that comes with it, or digital guide, talking about the new flavors, giving them some recipes for you to already look at. Pretty cool. And so yeah, that's it. This is pretty much all I'm doing for today. Getting my little meatballs ready, because it's making little sausage rolls is a little bit of a few steps. So these have to cook and cool, and then I will pull out the puff pastry, or you could use our quick biscuits, and then cut it into the size that you want to do, and then wrap and bake, basically. And the cool thing, you could bake them and then freeze them again if you're having people over later on in the week. So a lot of this stuff can be made and then put in the freezer and then ready for when people come over, like all these cookies. Toss into the freezer. And when people come over, just pull them out. They'll defrost in a few minutes. And then you've got something to have for when people are coming over without you having to spend the whole entire morning or whatever making stuff, right? You can be relaxed too. All right, there's my baby little meatballs. I'm going to, when I get the cranberries, make a bit of the cranberry sauce with our maple-based balsamic chicken mix. There's this cranberry brie appetizer that looks amazing, and I want to try it. So I'm going to have some of the cranberry made with this, and set that aside, and then also make it with some brie and some puff pastry and give it a try. Let's take a look at our gingerbread. Oh, here we go. There we go. Gingerbread cookies, all ready to go. So a few more minutes for the shortbread. The chicken's just cooling now. Meatballs will cool, and I'll do that. That's it. So happy 22nd of December. Happy solstice. Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, whatever or none that you celebrate this week. I'm just hibernating, so if you want to chat at all about anything or just have someone to talk to, I'm here for that. Holidays are not easy for me, so feel free to reach out if you need someone else who kind of gets it. Otherwise, I hopefully have you a delicious week, and talk to you soon.